Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how you can create a clock needle animation easily. It will create a very powerful effect to your presentation, and the ready-made animation is given in the link below. You can download it, and how we can make it. For this you have to see the whole video. So let's start how you can see the how you can make this animation. First I will show you how it works. There is a needle that moves and the text data comes out. How you will create it? For this make a new slide, and after this go to insert, shapes, select oval or circle according to the size of the slide. Adjust its size. And in such a way that half of the circle lies on the edge of the left side of the slide. Now what you have to do, copy paste it. After copy paste, you have to decrease the size of it and change the color of this circle. Let's suppose I change the color to right, to blue. Now the animation will look like this. Now make a needle. This portion will not be visible in your presentation, so it does not harm your animation. For needle, go to shapes, select triangle, make a needle like shape. After making it, copy paste it and go to format and rotate it vertical. Join them and make the upper triangle no fill and outline no outline. Now select both and group them. Change the color of it to, let's suppose, gray and no outline. Now you can place this in the mid, and to make a rotation point, just make a small circle here. And make its color black with no outline. Now go to insert, shapes, and select 10-point star and draw 10-point star, same as the size of the circle. These endpoints will give you equally spaced points. Place circle on the edges. Now delete it. Change the color to green. And make no outline. Go to shape effect to this button. Similarly, select both circles, go to shape and make it button like shape. needle in the mid. So move it forward. Now it's fine. Now I will make an animation by which this needle will move. Go to animation, spin, and select the animation effects. Select counter and change the angle to 140. Let's pause. Should be increased by some amount. Let's pause 145 and select timing and duration very fast. Yes, now it's fine. Now select again, add animation, spin again, go to time effect, clockwise, and make it 38, so it will move by 38 degree. Change the timing to very fast. Now you can see, yes, it's fine. Just a little bit decrease. Let's make it 37. Go again, spin, effect option, make it 37. Go again, add animation, spin, effect, make it 37. So let's see how it represents this one, this, and this. So it's fine. Just make the timing very fast. Now you can add a shape like this. Change its point to change its color to green, no outline, and convert it into a button and glow to shining glow. Now you can place here your text. Similarly, you can make 4 points. Change the color of it to blue, its color to, let's suppose, brown, and its color to, let's suppose, this one. Now add animation to this, wipe from left to right, and it must go after first needle, then again wipe, it must go after second needle move, make it animation wipe from left, and it must go after third move, and similarly the last one. So So you can see how easily you have make this clock needle animation. If you want to use it as a ready-made product, it is given in the link below. You can download it and use it. Thank you very much.